Disclaimer: Elite trading is for educational purposes only. The alerts given are not one-way tickets to be a millionaire. Discretion is advised.
But they want to hit a base hit, they hit a base hit or a home run. Sometimes that home run makes up for the next 10 hits, but at the end of the day, you want to just hit those base hits. That's all it's about every day, and that's what I do. And what's up, everybody? Kaler here with Elite Trading, just coming in live at 9 a.m. pre-market prep with you every day like we do right here, and we are excited. I'm ready to go. Did you see that big run up? 10 points on the on the SPY yesterday. S&P just blasting off. Let's go ahead and pull that chart up while we're getting started this morning, because we just got to talk about this. This is crazy. Slowly leaking out here in the morning. I'll get my crazy stuff off of here. But as you can see here, this run was just phenomenal. Look at that. Let me clean this up for you. A lot of people licking their chops, excited about that run yesterday. Probably going to see a little slight pullback. I'd say you're going to get a range here, somewhere in that 386, 387 pullback, and then possibly come up and try to regain and take out that 391.87 and get you all the way up to that 400 mark. Let's see if we can get that rally going for 2021 here. Let's get you into our daily newsletter and get you guys set up. All right, daily newsletter 3/2/2021. Quote of the day: money is a terrible master, but an excellent servant. P.T. Barnum. You have the bulls of the day: CAN, VACQ, MARA, FRSX, WIFI. I like that one. Wi-Fi. Bears, BIVI, REPX, CD, DIS, and CDXC. Daily news: major indices saw a strong rally yesterday, indicating that the pullback could possibly be over. Major indices are currently trading slightly lower during the early pre-market hours. So the major indices are going a little bit down right now, but it's still early. We got a lot of moving to go today, but be careful. When you see a big run like that, you got to take a breath. After market closing, ZM reported an impressive quarterly earnings rising of 10% in the extended hours. NEO, however, missed earning estimates. Bitcoin also surged in price yesterday, hitting 49,500, still not near its high of mid 58,000, but could be a sign of recovery after a strong pullback. Pfizer and biotech have linked towards supply deals for countries all over the world through COVAX. COVAX. Trading tips, earning calls, market dips, buying opportunities. Those are the tips of the week. Watching for the week, RDFN, SOXL with a 15-1 split. GUSH, FCX, TSLA in that mix after a big run yesterday. Thanks for being a part of Elite Trading Newsletter. Let's keep this going. Hit that like button, smash it, punch it, kick it, share it. Do whatever you got to do. Let's get on to the charts. Let's keep this thing going. All right, so we've got, let's look up forward here. I heard someone talk about wanting him to go to 13. 1240 is your mark. You got to get up all the way up there first, so don't worry about 13 till you break 1240, in my opinion. Let's get you over here to CAN. That thing was ripping and roaring yesterday, up $7, up 15 cents in the pre-market. Took a almost 50% gain in a day and a half here. Look at this thing. Apple making its run back yesterday. Talked about it in the pre-market prep. Said we could get anywhere from 120 to 127. We're sitting at 127.79. I can just say I say it, but we'll just let the pre-market speak for themselves. We talked about it. Look at these two lines. We drew them for you. Go back to yesterday's. We said, here's your yellow, here's your blue, here's your yellow, here's your reds. It's going to come here and sit and consolidate. And that's what happened. Throw that in highlight reel, guys. Marketing team, make sure you edit that from yesterday. Clip this right here from yesterday if you can. And let's get that in for the next video. Shout out to our guys at Pondus, Connor, and Olsen. You guys are great. Talked to him in the podcast yesterday. We did our interview. We'll have that clip edited and put that together for you guys. Should be between 30 and 40 minutes long. It's a nice, long introduction into what they do. So shout out to them. They were great guests yesterday. HAL. Oh, look at this guy. That's a healthy looking chart there. $21 was your previous bottom, your low. 22 was your support. You're at 23.10. Possibly goes to 24 here. Maybe a pullback between 22 and 22.96 here if we have a bad day today. It's official. It's a monster beat. All right. Shout out to Monster for all the audio every day. Love it. 672.68 was your low on Tesla. Looking at that 7-1, regaining 716 now. Possible run to 735 today if we get a bull run today on the market. If we stay red today, then we possibly go down to 707, maybe possibly 701. Let's get at least one more in here. Let's look at work. We haven't looked at them in a while. We can always go to our chat and have our chat speak out. Let us know if anybody has any tickers as they're in the chat, in the group, in the Discord. If you're in the live server this morning, shout them out to us. That's funny. This is what they're posted in there. That's great. Love the chat. Keep it coming, guys. Bring me some love in here. Let's see what you guys got. What are we talking about? SPY, Tesla. We have the ones from yesterday. Let's see how the ones from yesterday panned out after we pulled them up. So we had Let's see here. Let's get that out of our screen. CCIV down in the pre-market. Didn't move yesterday on the big rally. That's not a good sign in my opinion. But maybe things that didn't move yesterday get some love today. If we get a downturn, they have to put the money somewheres. What else we got? Yeah, we got GEVO, GEVO. Go GEVO. Go GEVO. That's what our group's been calling. They want 909. All right, so 909 to $10. We called it at around. I said I'd like it in that area in the eights. Remember, 889ish in this area. So didn't quite give it to us here. And then maybe you guys are off to the races, get you up here to that 1170. We just need another good green day in the market to get you guys another run here. It looks like. And then let's look here. MMED. Oh, I like this beat. That's a good one. So let's look at this on the MMED. Is that the one we wanted? No, MMED. Maybe it is. Let's look at Hexo. Nice. Catches some support here. I like to see this one get a run here. Pontus Protein is who was on our show yesterday, interviewed, and they're sitting at $1.08, down 2 cents in the pre-market. Recent IPO into the looks like they're into some support level here if they catch it around this level. So good for them. Let's see. Hopefully they get a nice run. MGM was another one we liked. But we'll get that. Sorry, I got the screen all crazy. Alright, let's go to like X. They're at currently 1848. Bet gold's doing good then. Yeah, okay. See where we're going today. I like gold up to 20. All right. Well, that's our show today, guys, and I'm going to wrap it up here. It's just me and you in this room together every day, 9 a.m. pre-market. We have a group of people. We say this every day, but I got to keep giving you the sales pitch because, that's what we have to do. I have to plug us and the people who help sponsor us and bring us to all the stuff that we have. So, come in here and join to Elite Trading and start growing, you guys. I mean, I've been talking about it for over 300 episodes now. If you've watched more than one and you haven't been in our live chat, you might want to try it. If not, it is what it is. We just want you to protect yourself. Risk management, learn about arbitration trading, learn about the different things in the marketplace that you can know that you may not even ever hear of because you're not in the right place. So, I'm going to wrap it up with one thing. So, we're going to do maybe like this every now and then. I'm going to try to do it every day, but we'll talk about a different subject each morning. And, today we're going to talk about market arbitrage. So market arbitrage refers to the simultaneous buying of a single asset on two different markets for a different price, and they're selling at one price and they're buying at another on two different markets. So you could be on the New York Stock Exchange or on the Toronto Stock Exchange, or you could be on these different ones. And basically, what happens is you can have one that's selling the same stock, the same commodity at $19.15. You have another one that's has a buy bid of $19, so they can buy them over here for $19, sell them over here for $19.15. They say it's basically a risk-free strategy. You have to typically have a large portfolio, large amounts of money to make this, because these inefficiencies are just small little pennies. So one of the key takeaways that you want to get out of that is that market arbitrage refers to the simultaneous buying and selling of the same security in different numbers or in different markets to take advantage of the price difference. The second one would be market arbitrage opportunities typically arise due to asymmetric information. So between buyers and the sellers. So, there's just two different information on the same stock. You just look up these different terms and figure this stuff out. Third one, this is what you want to really know and be considering, and why it's such a risk-free strategy, and why people say it is, because it technically is. So, but if it shoots up, then obviously you can lose on the selling side really quick. So market arbitrage is in theory considered to be a riskless activity because traders are simply buying and selling equal amounts. So they're buying the equal amounts of the same asset at the same time. So if one's raising, the other one's dropping, so they can kind of find these little inefficiencies and buy and sell and get out of them and make some money there really quick on 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents. And it doesn't happen all the time. It's hard to find these, and you have to have a really trained eye for it. So this is just something that we had today. This is Kaler with Elite Trading, Market Arbitrage Tuesday. So we'll talk about what the next strategy is going to be Wednesday, talking about different things tomorrow. Get in here for the pre-market prep. My name's Kaler.